Welcome to Time and History. Today, we're going to be discussing the destructive capabilities of a force that humankind has only encountered a small number of times over the course of history, the asteroid. In the vast expanse of our universe, there exist celestial bodies that capture our imagination and hold within them stories of cataclysmic proportions. Among these celestial wanderers, asteroids stand out as the silent behemoths capable of shaping the destiny of our planet. The impact of these gargantuan rocks from space has the power to reshape landscapes, alter the course of evolution, and ignite the fires of curiosity within us. It's astonishing to think that over the past 600 million years, approximately 60 of these colossal objects, measuring a staggering 3 miles or larger in size, have made contact with our home. But here's where the plot thickens. It turns out that 3 of these monumental impact events on land have been identified as the culprits behind mass extinctions that reshaped life as we know it. Imagine the sheer scale of these cataclysmic encounters, forever altering the course of evolution. Today, we're going to be embarking on an extraordinary journey through time and space, taking a closer look at these moments where the realms of Earth and the cosmos have intertwined. Join me as we delve into stories of destruction and rebirth, where we'll be analysing 3 of the greatest asteroids to have hit our humble planet. As a bonus, we'll also be briefly touching on the future of our planet and what asteroids may be heading our way. Let's get into it. 3. The Sudbury Basin. The Sudbury Basin is a massive geological feature located in the Canadian province of Ontario and is known as one of the largest impact craters on Earth. The basin is approximately 62 kilometers long, 30 kilometers wide, and 15 kilometers deep. The Sudbury Basin impact event occurred roughly 1.85 billion years ago during the Paleoproterozoic era, a period in time known for the stabilization of the continents. It's unclear if the impact was caused by an asteroid, meteorite, or comet. Whatever it was, one thing is for certain: it was enormous, estimated to have been approximately 10 kilometers wide. The impact of the object caused devastation on Earth. Its kinetic energy, coupled with the force of the impact, caused the ground to liquefy, which created a central peak that later collapsed to form a basin. Additionally, the enormous energy produced by the meteorite as it hit the Earth's surface released vast amounts of sulfur, which led to the formation of metal-rich deposits unique to the Sudbury Basin. But perhaps the most dramatic impact was on Earth's ecosystem, as the asteroid's collision with Earth led to a mass extinction event. Although the exact casualty count remains unknown, it is believed that there was a sudden and comprehensive loss of life on Earth as a result of the impact. Geological evidence indicates that the asteroid impact was so immense that rock was pulverized into dust, which clogged the atmosphere, causing global darkness that lasted for several years. This event had a significant impact on Earth's evolutionary path. Despite the devastation caused by the Sudbury Basin impact event, the geological features it produced now have immense scientific value and are studied by geologists and other scientists worldwide. These studies have helped us better understand the composition of the Earth and the processes that shape our planet's history. 2. The Chicksalube Crater. The history of our planet Earth is filled with astonishing tales of cosmic encounters. One such story that has captivated scientists and researchers for decades is that of the Chicksalube Crater. The massive impact crater, formed 66 million years ago in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, has an intriguing backstory involving a colossal asteroid and its profound impact on our planet's ecosystem. The asteroid that created the Chicksalube Crater is estimated to have been around 10 to 15 kilometers wide, with a devastating impact force equivalent to millions of atomic bombs exploding simultaneously. For those unfond of the metric system, that's as wide as 1,400 school buses or 98,425 slices of pizza. It's a challenge in and of itself trying to fathom the sheer scale of this cosmic visitor, which resembled a small city hurtling through space. And with such a colossal object barreling towards the Earth, you can only imagine the devastation that lay ahead. The impact of the asteroid on the Earth was profound. leading to a mass extinction event that wiped out nearly 3/4 of all plant and animal species on our planet. The scenes that followed in the aftermath of the impact were apocalyptic, to say the least. The asteroid's force caused the Earth's crust to crumble, creating a colossal crater that stretched over 150 kilometers wide. The impact also resulted in extreme environmental disasters, including massive wildfires and a catastrophic mega tsunami that had a global reach. New research has confirmed that the waves caused by the Chicksalube asteroid impact reach unprecedented heights of over 100 meters that consumed everything in their path. This in turn caused widespread devastation and further contributed to the mass extinction event that occurred during that period. For comparison's sake, the sheer magnitude of this tsunami was estimated to be thousands of times more powerful than the infamous 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. The dust and debris that were thrown up into the atmosphere caused global climate disruption, changing the temperature and light that reached the Earth's surface. The amount of sunlight that could reach the Earth's surface would have been drastically reduced, leading to a significant drop in temperature. As such, the environmental conditions resulting from the Chicksalube impact were catastrophic for many plant and animal species, and many could not survive the challenging ecological conditions that followed. The reduction in plant life had a huge impact on herbivores' ability to survive, which in turn meant that carnivores would have also suffered from having less food available. All living things would have been affected in some way, both on land and in the ocean. The impact was believed to have caused the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs and many other species, including marine animals, plants, and insects. But the consequences of the impact were not all negative. In fact, some researchers speculate that this event unleashed a new wave of evolution, leading to the rise of new species that eventually included mammals. Today, the Chicksalube Crater continues to intrigue us with its secrets. Chicksalube Crater is one of the most significant impact craters on Earth, created by a colossal and devastating asteroid that unleashed its force on our planet. Its aftermath was apocalyptic, leading to a mass extinction event. However, it also paved the way for a new era of evolution and transformation. 1. The Vredefort Crater. When most people think of destructive asteroids that made their mark on the Earth, their minds are brought to the nearly world-ending asteroid of Chicksalube. But what if I told you that there was actually an even bigger impact nearly 2 billion years prior? The Vredefort Crater, located in South Africa, was formed by the impact of a massive asteroid or comet approximately 2 billion years ago. Recent research suggests that the impactor responsible for the crater was larger than the asteroid that caused the Chicksalube Crater, which led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. In fact, the size of the impactor has been estimated to be somewhere between 20 and 25 kilometers wide, dwarfing the size of the Chicksalube impactor, which was only 10 to 15 kilometers wide. Following the asteroid's impact with the Earth, a crater was formed that measures approximately 180 to 300 kilometers in diameter. Erosion over billions of years has made the exact size difficult to determine accurately. The Vredefort impact had significant consequences for the Earth. The immense energy released during the impact caused intense heat, shock waves, and the ejection of debris into the atmosphere. However, unlike the Chicksalube impact, the Vredefort impact did not leave a clear record of mass extinction events. Furthermore, the ecological impact is not as well documented or studied as the Chicksalube event. This is in part due to how much time has passed since this cataclysmic event. Comparing the two impacts at face value, it is believed that the Vredefort impactor was larger than the asteroid that caused the Chicksalube impact. However, it's also important to consider the ecological consequences and extent of global disruption. The negative effects resulting from the Chicksalube impact are considered more significant and well documented due to the mass extinction event it triggered. The asteroid responsible for this crater is certainly not the biggest asteroid out there, not by a long shot, but it is certainly the biggest one to have made contact with Earth, at least so far. What now? With that brief summary of the three most destructive forces to have hit Earth out of the way, the next logical question is, what's next? With over 60 asteroids measuring over 3 miles in size hitting the Earth over the past 600 million years, surely there has got to be another one coming at some point. One asteroid that's certainly worthy of mention is 99942 Apophis, a near-Earth asteroid discovered in 2004. The asteroid is estimated to be about 1,100 feet or 340 meters across, and upon its initial discovery, Apophis was considered to be one of the most hazardous asteroids that could potentially impact Earth. In December 2004, initial observations of Apophis caused concern when there was a chance, albeit small, that it could impact Earth on April 13, 2029. However, subsequent investigations ruled out any significant risk of impact for that date. To this day, Apophis is still considered a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its close approach to Earth, but the probability of a future impact is currently very low. Apophis will still have a close approach to Earth on April 13, 2029, passing within about 0.1 lunar distances, but despite its close approach, NASA analysis indicates that Earth is safe from an Apophis impact for at least the next 100 years. As we conclude this exploration into the great asteroid impacts that have left their mark on our planet, we are reminded of the immense power and awe-inspiring forces at play in our dynamic universe. From the towering crater of Chicksalube, forever linked to the extinction of the dinosaurs, to the massive Sudbury Basin and the enigmatic Vredefort crater, each impact has left its own unique story, etched into the Earth's surface. These cataclysmic events, separated by billions of years, connect us to our planet's past and invite us to contemplate our place in the grand tapestry of cosmic history. They remind us of the delicate interplay between celestial bodies and the intricate dance that life on Earth has taken part in for millennia. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.